Okay. 3D printed wheels. A full set. On cheap plastic trucks. Because I'm not going to put these things on real trucks. Whoa. That does not want to move. These really don't want to move. I mean, they roll, but just barely.
Let me try.
Sure.
Alright, here we go.
Alright.
Feel it, man. Feel it. Wait. They seem like they would work fine.
I know. Alright, let's try again.
Maybe this would be easier in San Francisco with more hills.
Yeah, just go straight down that hill. Watch out for the kids.
Yeah,
The thing is, it's too tall for me to like put my foot down. Doesn't even want to go down the hill.
Oh, come on, gravity.
It won't even roll downhill.
4 days worth of worthless wheels.
Each one of these wheels took 18 hours
At some
to print.
point in time, man invented the wheel. Then man invented 3D printer and tried to print a wheel and failed.
Damage report.
Damage report. They have changed color.
We've got some shit on the surface.
Yeah, but there's not really any holes, no flat spots.
But other than the binding, you know, the bearings not really rolling very well, they don't look like they're getting destroyed.
I think it's this one.
Oh, you think we got a manufacturer's error?
I don't know. I think the main problem is that when it's like pushing down, it's like maybe squeezing it a tiny bit, and these
these roll on gears.
Yeah, they're
You have to,
they're gear bearings.
yeah. Don't you like have to expect more friction if you're doing that then?
Sure.
Which means they'll roll.
Actually, yeah. Look at like.
I would imagine that like you're gonna get the same kind of.
Do you see the plastic on the inside?
Right, but I mean, you look at the veining on the wheel surface, and you gotta imagine that's gonna happen all across all the scoops of each of the teeth of those gears.
Yeah, look at that. Look at how stressed the plastic inside there is getting.
Maybe
on
it's one
each
of those
tooth.
things. Maybe we can't see it, but maybe it's like taking off like a layer for like each rotation of the wheel or something. You know, like one little strand, like it's working it away.
I don't think it's working through it. I think it's just like. It's stressing it. It's starting to crack even a little bit right there. Do you see it?
I'm getting in on it.
Here, let's move into the sun.
Oh, you and your good shooting.
Like just a little, just a tiny bit. It's starting to crack right in there.
Let's see if I can get in on that bad boy. I don't think it's gonna focus very well.
I don't think PLA plastic is meant to make skateboard wheels out of.
Well,
At least not gear bearing wheels. I mean, they do work, just not well.
Yeah.
I bet if we gave them to the Braille skating guys, they'd destroy them in like half an hour.
I'd be curious to see how long. Be curious to see how long they last in a bowl.
Oh yeah.
Oh, new kind of manual slide.
That's a power slide. I don't know how to power slide.
Well,
But if I did, I bet this board would be great at it.
Now, if rolling doesn't damage the wheels, sliding for sure will.
I wonder if they'd flat spot.
probably.
Because they seem to be like very hard. They have very little grip. And yeah, they're very slippery. I don't think 3D printed PLA plastic is meant to make skateboard wheels. Oh, look at that. I think the layer's coming off.
Yeah. From your flat spot from the power slide.
Yep. So they will flat spot.
Easily.
No deal.
Yep, I think this one's a failure.
Fail.
I think it's a partial success.
They roll.
Successful prototype, still not a good idea.
Okay.
I
Man,
wonder if I should try to ollie. Because I can't ollie. But maybe I can ollie on 3D printed wheels. Oh, they slide so easily. Oh, jeez. I'm pretty sure that's not the wheels, and that's just me. Because I'm getting some pop.
yeah.
I just like... It's a lot of pop, too.
It could be the springiness from those trucks too.
Maybe. Cheap plastic
They're
trucks.
a little more compliant than metal trucks, you know.
Just also, I can't ollie.
Well,
I can't ollie on a regular board.
it was a nice effort.
Almost. I'm gonna ollie. I think that was an ollie.
I mean now with motion.
I think my first ollie was done on 3D printed wheels.
Well, stranger things have happened.
That didn't pop that time. That was me. Look at my regular board. 3D printed skateboard wheels. They didn't exactly work. I mean, they worked, but not really. I wouldn't skate on them. Would you? Tell us in the comments. Super Mega Special Edition damage report after the fact. I ollied on this board earlier, my little pitiful ollie, and look what happened. Oh, it broke. So 3D printed wheels, not the strongest wheels. Ugh. Yeah, but now I get to take it apart. I need a grippy thing.
Stupid great guitar hero. Ooh. Open wide, says the dentist.
Don't ever go to that dentist. He's a really shitty dentist. He just...
I wonder if this is how dentists feel when they work on a patient that has TMJ.
Oh, it spat at me.
PLA says, fuck yourself.
For something so weak, it sure is strong.
It's almost like you could design the structure as it lays the material down. Oh shit, he got the gear back.
No way.
Now how do we fuse the PLA together?
Glue?
There you go, cyanoacetate. Let's go get some cyano. Let's cram that junk in there. Or you can bust out one of the teeth.
I'm just trying to snap it.
I feel like I'm about to get hit in the balls with something. There's a lot of potential energy flying around in here.
Snap, you bastard. I feel like I'm gonna bend this crappy little truck.
And that's a problem because...
It would be such a shame to lose this plastic truck. Ugh. God damn. doesn't want to give.
Hey, put your hand here. Hold this up for a sec. And let me hold on to part of that wheel so that we make sure this thing's not gonna be all fucking flying around and shit. Slip joint plier bastards. There you go.
It's just like my first girlfriend. Yes!
There we go.
Dude, look at this.
Oh man, I can feel the texture on these things. No wonder that fucking action didn't want to roll.
Oh man, look at that. Is that the right way? No, that's the wrong way. There we go. Look at how nicely that fits in.
Almost like it was made to spec. Yuck, 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 sorry.
So the way it works, it's got these V shapes in it that let these guys roll around in here, and then that rolls around in here, but it means these can't come out without breaking the outer wheel.
Means they have to be formed as one piece.
Yep. Which is why you can only make this kind of gear by 3D printing it. Yep, so all these went around there, and then one more guy in the middle. And that's the Emmett bearing wheel. Buy one today on getyourown3dprinterandmakeone.com.gov.
Save the ollie test for later.
.edu. Yeah, don't ollie on it. And especially don't kick flip on it or heel flip, or I guess you could board slide it. That's so neat.
Alright.
Alright, see you guys.